Want a warning before you overdraft your account? Overdraft alerts are your early warning system. Today, I'm showing you how to set them up so you're always in the know. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. These alerts don't prevent an overdraft, but they give you a chance to transfer money and avoid one. They are a simple, powerful tool for staying on top of your balance. Setting them up takes seconds in the app. Log in, go to Alerts in your settings, and then Manage Alerts. Look for options like Low Balance Alert or Specific Overdraft Alerts. You can customize the threshold. For example, you can set an alert to trigger when your balance drops below $50 or $100. You choose whether you get a push notification, an email, or a text. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: set a buffer alert. Don't set the alert at $0. Set it for a comfortable cushion, like $100. This gives you ample time and a psychological warning to slow your spending before you ever hit a dangerously low balance. Just like that, you've created a smart financial guardrail for yourself. What balance level would you set your low balance alert for? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.